How to hide Instagram DMs or chats without deleting them. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's get started. First of all, launch Instagram application on your device. Head to the profile icon at bottom right corner. Now tap three-line menu icon at top right. Scroll down to the bottom of your screen. Now tap on account type and tools. Select switch to professional account and tap on next button. Select the category for your account and choose switch to professional account. Tap OK button. Choose creator or business option and select next. Now tap on not now and here you need to set up your professional account. Completely close Instagram and launch Instagram again. Then you need to tap on the messenger icon at top right to access your DM. Here you need to swipe left on the chat you wanna hide, or you can long press on particular chat and select move to general. Now this chat has been successfully hidden from the primary section without deleting. You can tap general and then move these general chats to the primary section following the same process. So in order to bring chats back to primary section, you can easily go to the general and then long press on particular chat and then you can move to primary. So now you know how to hide and restore Instagram DMs without deleting them. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.